Hi everyone, my name is Mark and I'm a data scientist who's been working with AI for about a decade. I've also been teaching for most of that time and I'm here to show you how you can leverage AI in your own career. You don't need a degree, you don't need to be an analytical person, you simply only need to know a few key things. So in this video we're going to look at how we can use generative AI tools to perform data analysis. So let's jump into it. For business analytics, AI can be utilized instead of having to hire an analyst to quickly identify insights from your company's data. This is best explained through an example, so let's jump into a demo. So in this one, we're going to look at how we can use AI models to analyze data, and specifically this can be your company's data, so this can be revenue, sales, anything that you want to analyze and drill into deeper. So let's do an example. I've got some mock data here, so I'm going to just simply drag this CSV file. It can also be an Excel file into the AI interface, in this case Chat GPT. You just drop it here and it will upload it there, so it's as simple as that. And then we can ask it questions. So let's first get a quick overview of the data, so maybe it's something simple like this. Please tell me about this data. So this should give me a high-level overview of what is in the file. So you can see it's actually put a table up here and I can have a look. It's also given me some information on the columns, told me number of rows. This is all quite useful. So this looks like sales data. We've got different prices for each sale. We've got different quantities per sale. We've got different dates for each sale, different product lines, and we've got different locations from where the sale came from. So this is great. So now we can drill down into this a bit more. So let's start by asking it questions about the data. So you don't need a data analyst or a data scientist. Instead, you just need to be able to ask the right questions. So let's try this one. Prepared this already. I'm just going to put this in. So this is all about price point. So I want to know what the spread of the price point. Are we selling it for a particular price, or is there a lot of sales, which mean that we're selling it at different prices? So it's produced a histogram here. And so you can see we've got price here. Most of the price is around this. I think this would be $100. We can check that. It'd be good if there was units. And then we've got frequency on the y-axis. So we can see that there are some sales and they go as low as $30, but most of the time we're selling around the $100 mark. So that's good to know. And now we might be interested in, okay, well, when do my sales occur? Do they occur at certain times of the year? So let's plot my sales over time as a line chart. Okay, so we've got a line chart. It's quite hard to read because it looks like it's done it for every single individual sale. So this is where you might want to amend your prompt. So instead, this might be easier to read if we looked at it per month. So we could change this line chart to a bar chart and group the sales by year and month. Let's have a look at that. And very quickly it has come up with this. Now you can see here, it's a little bit hard to read, but you can zoom in. You can see we've got big spikes here and here. Now these spikes correspond to November of 2003 and November of 2004. So that's telling me that there's a bit of seasonality with these sales. So we're probably selling, as a business, we're probably making a lot of our sales just before Christmas. So it's likely a lot of our products are being bought for that festive season. So that's something that would be interesting. And then you can see that we've also got a pretty big spike in the month beforehand, which is October in both of the years. So again, that could be linked to Christmas, and it could also be linked to sales that occur around that time. So let's now analyze, where are these sales coming from, which jurisdictions or which countries. So let's go for a pie chart, the proportion of sales per country. And you can see here that we're getting most of our sales from the US, 36.2%. We're getting few of them from Spain, 12.1 or 2%.
And so this is very useful as well. Now, you don't have to know specific questions. You can ask just broad questions about the data. So we could say something, tell me something interesting about the data. And this will not only analyze the data that we uploaded, but it'll also analyze the graphs that we just produced. So when you ask AI questions like this, they will use the entire conversation. So let's see what it's come up with. Okay. It's got the sales based on different deal sizes, and you can see we're making a lot of medium sized deals rather than small and large. That's very interesting. So it can come up with new things that you hadn't even thought of.
So you can imagine the cost savings. Let's say you can't afford to hire a specialized analyst. Then you could consider using this resource to answer any questions you might have about your business and its data. The possibilities are endless, and many of these tools are affordable or even free to start. Remember, the goal isn't to replace your creativity, it's to enhance it. So by integrating AI into these areas, you can focus on growing your business while saving time and money. So there you have it, a quick overview of how generative AI tools like Chat GPT can be used to analyze data. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.